Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by cleansing the area so the concealer adheres. You want a clean, slightly dewy base. Once done, press a cold compress for 2 to 3 minutes to calm puffiness and reduce redness. Now shake bye under eye and dispense a pea-sized drop onto the back of your hand. You'll build coverage, so avoid overloading. Using your ring finger, tap product into the inner eye, then the outer corner. Light, controlled taps help blend without dragging fragile skin. After that initial tap, assess coverage and add thin layers where needed. Pat, don't rub, because bye under eye is pigmented and layers visually rather than cakily. Use your ring finger for targeted warmth or a damp sponge for a seamless, airbrushed finish. The sponge helps distribute product without wiping it away. Make sure to blend edges into the cheek and inner corner to avoid harsh lines. If you need staying power, lightly set the center of the area with a tiny amount of translucent powder. To finish, do a final check under natural light. Avoid overpowdering, since too much will crease and look dry. If you spot cakey texture, mist your face lightly or tap a dab of moisturizer and gently press to rehydrate and meld layers. For midday touch-ups, press a tiny amount of bye under eye into problem spots rather than reapplying fully, then blot excess to maintain finish. If creasing persists, remove product, remoisturize, and reapply a thinner layer for a smoother result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.